making pilau rice.
Chicken tikka masala.
As well. Of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 onion peeled and chopped into cubes, 4 thingy of pods, and 4 cloves. Sorry, a tablespoon of turmeric, 50 grams of basmati rice, 2 bay leaves. First, we are going to do our chicken masala. Well, whatever. It's too long. I can't say it.
I'm cooking this.
I'll take this as well. That one.
A bit of coconut oil. Actually, that's quite a lot. I'm going to add a chicken.
Yep.
The chicken.
I can't even see chicken. That on it.
It's cooking. Now we need to seal it.
Now we need to stir it for. Now we need to stir it a little bit. Okay. Stir it, Ollie.
I'll stir.
Make sure it doesn't stick.
And you're going to cook it for 5 minutes.
After it's going to be 5 minutes, then we're going to put the tikka masala.
It's already basically done. Look at that.
It's not done in 5 minutes.
Look at that piece.
You keep mixing it.
You keep mixing it.
Because it's hard, isn't it? Skinny.
Oh
no. While the chicken is boiling for 5 minutes, we're going to toast a teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is about that much, I'd say.
Chicken's looking good.
Now, because the cumin seeds are toasted, now we're going to put a tablespoon of coconut oil.
That's a lot more than me.
And then chopped onions. And then we're going to mix it a bit. Don't stop mixing.
Tikka masala sauce and chicken.
Because it's been 5 minutes. Cardamom pods. We're using ice cream thing because we can't find our crusher.
Yeah.
But
It's annoying.
good time to use your muscles. Chop, 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 chop.
See how squished that is? That's stand up.
Now we're going to do a tablespoon of turmeric. So that's not much. And then the main part, the rice.
Yeah, that's the main part.
And then you're going to mix it up.
I need to mix up this.
Until it's a nice kind of yellowy, bright yellow like this. That's the kettle on the go because next we're going to pour 450 ml of boiling water. Pour 450 ml of boiling water into the pot. I measured it earlier. Oh my god, that is steaming.
Hot.
Oh.
I need to make sure so I stir this. I just. They're starting to turn yellow now. I still need to mix this right. It's not rice, it's chicken.
Sorry. Now we're going to add 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks. I think that'll be enough. And then we're going to add, how am I going to? And then we're going to add 2 bay leaves. 1, 2.
I don't know why there are bay leaves in them.
More flavour, I think, on it. That looks good.
It also looks like, I feel like it will make it look like a decoration.
Yeah. Next, you're going to let it sim for 15 minutes and pop a lid on. Like that. It's going to steam glass. On a high grill heat. And now we're going to put our naan bread in for like 3 minutes. With some tin foil. And leave the door open. Now let's check on our rice. Mix it a bit. Looking good. And now we need to check on this a bit. Mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Now we need to turn the heat lower. No, turn it off, sorry. That's the rice. A little bit more. That much.
Can I have mine?
How much do you want? That much? That much? That much more?
Yeah, a bit more.
I won't.
About that much.
That much.
That's enough.
Now we're going to do the chicken and
I
thingy.
want my chicken now.
It's all going to do mine. Oh my god. Come on. Chicken.
You dropped it.
A little bit more maybe. Actually that's enough. Taste it.
Yum yum.
I've cut my naan bread in half again. And I'm going to put some rice and some
1 piece of chicken.
Oh, that's a big bit. I'll taste it all together. Amazing. Has got a mess on my face. If I have, put it down in the comments. In the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you subscribe.
Like in the next 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Hope you've liked. This was a crush for my best friend Sasha again. Subscribe to Cooking with Chloe for more great recipes.